Falling behind? Here's the fix. Most people think productivity means more motivation, more willpower, waking up earlier and hustle harder. Honestly, that's the fastest way to burnout, not progress. Hi, I'm Bonnie Morlock, two-time Global Startup Coach of the Year, and someone who helps founders scale companies and stay sane while doing it. Here's the truth. Getting shit done isn't about pushing yourself harder, it's about creating default momentum. Let me explain. Default momentum means you don't waste energy deciding what's next. You already know, because you've built a clear system. It's like an autopilot. Instead of relying on energy or mood, you rely on structure, because structure equals freedom. Sounds weird, especially with the German accent, but hear me out. Here's exactly how you do it. Every day, block 90 minutes, just one clear task that moves your business forward. Phone off, email closed, notifications off, headphones on. Protect those 90 minutes like your sanity depends on it. Cause it kinda does. Start imperfect, start scrappy, but start. Don't wait for inspiration or motivation, those come after you begin. Rarely before. Next, let's fix your overwhelm with a simple filter. When your task list feels like chaos, just pause and zoom out. And ask yourself really clearly, is this task driving revenue? Is it building trust with my team? Is it building trust with my customers? Is it giving me energy and joy? If it doesn't hit at least one of these three, you probably don't need to do it. At least not today. This filter is exactly how I help founders clear their calendars, free their minds, and get back in control. Revenue, trust, energy. Make these your action North Star. Remember, if you're overwhelmed, it's not because you're lazy or disorganized, your system is just broken. Now let me ask you, what's your go-to task when you're overwhelmed but still want to feel productive? Mine is cleaning. It's weirdly satisfying for me. I guess I feel some sort of control over my hectic day or something. Well, drop yours below. And here's something to keep in mind. If you're stuck, act your way into clarity. Small forward motion beats a perfect strategy 11 out of 10 times. When you don't know what to do next, just do the smallest next right thing. If this hits home, do the thing. And also watch my next video on time boxing. I link it at the very end of this video. Alright? I catch you there.